My dear student, today's topic is also time and work. Exercise 13A from RS World. It is already started. So up to 6 is completed. So today I start from 8. Question number 8. So in the book it is given that A and B can finish a piece of work in 16 days and 12 days respectively. A started the work and worked at it for 2 days. He was then joined by B. Find the total time taken to finish the work. So A can finish the work in 16 days. So A is 1 day's work equal to 1 by 16. So A's 2 days work equal to 2 into 1 by 16 equal to 1 by 8. Remaining work equal to 1 minus 1 by 8 equal to 7 by 8. Now B alone can finish the work in 12 days. So B's 1 day's work equal to 1 by 12. If they work together, if A and B work together, so A plus B is 1 day's work equal to A's 1 day's work plus B's 1 day's work, that is 1 by 16 plus 1 by 12. LCM is 48. So it is 3 plus 4, 7 by 48. Now the remaining work finished by A plus B. So 7 by 8 a part of the work, 7 by 48 part of the work finished by A plus B in 1 day. Whole part of the work finished by A plus B in 1 divided by 7 by 48 days. And remaining part of the work, that is 7 by 8 after 2 days of A's work, remaining part of the work is 7 by 8. So 7 by 8 part of the work finished by A plus B in 48 by 7 into 7 by 8 equal to 6 days. So total time to finish the work, first 2 days, and A plus B finish the work, remaining work in 6 days. So total time is 8 days to finish the work. Next, question number 10. A can do 2 by 3 of a certain work in 16 days and B can do 1 by 4 of the same work in 3 days. In how many days can both finish the work if they work together? So it is given that 2 by 3 of the certain work, 2 by 3 part of the certain work finished by A in 16 days. So in 16 days, A can finish 2/3 of the work. In 1 day, A can finish 2/3 divided by 16 part of the work, that is 2 by 3 into 1 by 16 equal to 1 by 24 part of the work. So A's 1 day's work equal to 1 by 24, and 3 days, in 3 days B can finish 1 by 4 part of the same work. So in 1 day, B can finish 1 by 4 divided by 3 equal to 1 by 12 part of the work. If they work together, in 1 day they can complete 1 by 24 plus 1 by 12, LCM 24, and numerator 1 plus 2, so 3 by 24 equal to 1 by 8. Common divisor of 3 and 24 is 3, so 3 1 is 3, 3 8 is 24, so 1 by 8. So if they work together, they can finish the work, whole work in 8 days, because in 1 day they can complete 1 by 8 part of the whole work. So if they work together, they can complete the whole work in 8 days. Next, question number 11. It is given in the book, A, B and C can do a piece of work in 15, 12 and 20 days respectively. They started the work together, but C left after 2 days. In how many days will the remaining work complete by A and B? They started the work and after 2 days C left the work. So A alone can finish the work in 15 days. So A's 1 day's work 1 by 15. B alone can finish the work in 12 days. So B's 1 day's work 1 by 12. And C alone can finish the work in 20 days. So C's 1 day's work equal to 1 by 20. So A plus B plus C's 1 day's work equal to 1 by 15 plus 1 by 12 plus 1 by 20. LCM is 60. So 15 4 just 60, 12 5 just 60, this is 5, and 23 just 60. So 4 plus 5 plus 3 equal to 12 by 60 equal to 1 by 5, because common divisor of 12 and 60 is 12. So 12 1 is 12, 12 5 is 1 by 5. So A plus B plus C is 2 days work equal to 2 into 1 by 5, that is 2 by 5, because up to 2 days they work together, and after 2 days C left the work. So C left after 2 days, so remaining work A plus B plus C is 2 days work is 2 by 5. Then after that C left the work, so remaining work equal to 1 minus 2 by 5 equal to 3 by 5. This remaining work finished by A and B together. So remaining work finished by A and B together. So A plus B is 1 day's work equal to 1 by 15 plus 1 by 12, that is 1 by sum of 1 day's work of A plus 1 by 1 day's work of B. So 1 by 15 plus 1 by 12. So LCM is 60. So 15 4 just 60, 12 5 just 60, 4 plus 5 9 by 60 equal to 3 by 20. So this 3 by 20 part of the whole work finished by A plus B in 1 day. So this 3 by 20 part of the work finished by A plus B in 1 day. Whole part of the work finished by A plus B equal to 1 divided by 3 by 20 equal to 20 by 3 days. And remaining work 3 by 25 part of the whole work finished by A plus B in 20 by 3 into 3 by 5, that is equal to 4 days. So remaining work finished by A plus B in 4 days. Next question number 13. In question number 13 it is given that A and B can do a piece of work in 12 days, B and C 15 days, and C and A in 20 days. How much time will A alone take to finish the job? So it is given that A and B can finish the work in 12 days. So A plus B is 1 day's work, 1 by 12. B and C can finish the work in 15 days. So B plus C is 1 day's work, 1 by 15. And C and A can finish the work in 20 days. So C plus A is 1 day's work equal to 1 by 20. Now adding, we get A plus B plus B plus C plus C plus A is 1 day's work equal to 1 by 12 plus 1 by 15 plus 1 by 20, and 2 into A plus B plus C, because there is A plus A to A, B plus B to B, and C plus C to C. So 2 is the common factor. So 2 into A plus B plus C is 1 day's work equal to sum of these two fractions. So LCM is 60 and numerator is 5 plus 4 plus 3, that is 12 by 60 equal to 1 by 5. So A plus B plus C is 1 day's work equal to 1 by 5 divided by these 2, that is 1 by 10. So A plus B plus C is 1 day's work equal to 1 by 10. Now A's 1 day's work equal to A plus B plus C is 1 day's work minus B plus C is 1 day's work, that is equal to 1 by 10 minus B plus C is 1 day's work is already given, 1 by 15. So 1 by 10 minus 1 by 15 equal to 3 minus 2 by 30. LCM is 30. So 10 3 is 30, 15 2 is 30. So 3 minus 2 by 30, that is 1 by 30. So A alone can finish the work in 30 days. Thank you.